I'm Lay with LayShidell.com, and I have a little training here for you. I thought I'd teach you a little bit about it's something like a macro. What it does is it allows you to type something ahead of time and assign it to some keystrokes so you can use it again later somewhere else. And this works in the Windows environment. So I'm going to take you over to the screen where you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to show you where I downloaded this first of all, because if you Google this, it's going to show up in a lot of places, and a lot of these different uh, websites that offer it attached to malware and other different kinds of things. And I wanted to show you a place where you could get it without any problems added to it. And so I'm going to take you over to my screen here, and let me remove this so you can see what's going on. And the website that I go to is this. It's www.majorgeeks.com, and then it's /files/details/QuickTextPaste.html. Now this is the actual site. This is what it'll look like when you get here. And then once you're here, in about the middle of the page, you'll see a download locations here. And that first item, download author, is what I clicked. And then it downloads the file, and I'll let it go ahead and download. So it's going to pop up here in a second. And this is actually downloading already to my computer, and you will see it right here. So I've downloaded it more than one time. So it is a zip file, so you will need an application to unzip this. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to want to go ahead and unzip the file, and then the exe will open for you this software application. Now I'm going to take Google away so that I'm going to take a lot of these screens away so that you'll just see this one. And we'll move it over here. Okay, so this is the actual application here. And it is as simple as entering your text in this box where it says add the text. And so I'm just going to show you how I did this. So I typed, "Thank you for reaching out to connect with me, period. I look forward to getting to know you and networking together." Okay, so then once I've typed what I want to make sure that it says exactly what I want and that there aren't any typing errors in this, because I'm going to use this over and over again. So obviously I don't want any errors in it. Now at the bottom, or before the bottom, you'll see this line here. This is where you're going to give it a name. This is the menu text item. And when I say menu, this is how it lists it over here, so that you can see the name, the title given to that particular keystroke function. Then at the bottom here, what we have is the left window key. And if you click on the down arrow there, you can select different choices. You could use the right Windows key. You can use Control plus Alt. You can use Control plus, I'm not sure what this one is, GR. I'm not sure what that one is. You can use Control by itself, you can use the Alt key by itself, or you can use the right Control key. So what these do is allow you to assign a whole bunch of different keys to some text. So I'm going to leave this one on the left window key, and then I type whatever letter that I want here. For me, this is, they're reaching out, so I put an R with mine. So I'm going to click Add then. And once I've added that, it adds it into the file up here. Okay, so now I'm going to go back over to Facebook. And what I'm going to show you here is from my own timeline. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to let you look at my timeline while I go to my Messenger. And when I type in my name here and open up my Messenger, what I'm just trying to show you is how this works without sending it to anybody else. And so I'm in the spot where I'm ready to type my text. If I hold down that left Windows key and type R, and then select the one and I see I have it typed right, but when I click that keystroke combination, it actually entered it there for me, and then I just hit enter and it sends it. That's how really easy it is to use this. So once you've assigned the text to a keystroke combination, also known as a macro, or at least that's what we used to call them, then you can utilize that. I hope you've gotten some value out of this training. I appreciate your showing up to watch with me. I look forward to bringing you more training in the future. I know you could be anywhere you chose to be. Thanks a lot for spending your time with me. Bye-bye.